program. So, ano lang naman, usual program natin. So, welcome, may isang game lang, and then, tapos, meron tayong we wanted to parang maging yung setup.
Hindi na-expect sa sabi part 3.
We're dancing about that. Yeah! Ako na dito, super. Okay?
Wala pa lang.
Sino ang mga kaupo?
Sino ang nag-start sa ministry noong 2018?
Ay.
2, 3, go!
Mali!
Okay. Ang sagot! Okay, ang ating choices. 2, 3, go! Anong sagot mo? Hey!
Hindi ako already sanay sa weather. Ano, ito clock in nose ko, tapos pahinga ako ng pahinga. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Magandang na ako. Exciting kayo.
1, 2! Sige, ang sagot! Ang barul na namin. Tabik!
Sinibig naman!
For our game today. Yeah.
Kasi yun yung good news eh. And that's why we belong. Because through Jesus Christ, we have access to God. Sabi sa John chapter 1 verse 12, to all who believe in His name, He gave them the right to be called children of God.
And you will know your real identity.
See the world light up one heart at a time. See the strongholds break in a blink of an eye. Death all our sin nowhere inside. For the Lord, He is alive. See the lost return from the death of the night. Every captive free, every chain left behind. Have you ever seen such a beautiful light? All the world coming alive. Come on, you. See the world light up one heart at a time. See the strongholds break every blink of an eye. Death and all our sin nowhere inside. For the Lord, He is alive. See the lost return from the death of the night. Every captive free, every chain left behind. Have you ever seen such a beautiful sight? For the Lord, He is alive. your hands to the heavens, lift your voice to the sky. Praise the Lord of all creation. Let His name be lifted high. Come on, give God
We want to appreciate Ate Joanna. Let's thank the Lord for her life, no?
Pinuna ako sa taas!